Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore the US's locked and loaded stance, with B-52 bombers, missile systems, and F-35 fighters mobilized in Qatar amid rising tensions with Iran. The most visible sign of the locked and loaded status is the arrival of B-52 Stratofortress heavy bombers at Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar. Often described as flying missile trucks, these massive aircraft can carry up to 70,000 pounds of weapons, including nuclear-capable cruise missiles. Their presence places Iranian targets well within strike range, without the bombers ever needing to enter hostile airspace, serving as a direct and visible threat to Tehran. Alongside the offensive bombers, the Pentagon has rushed additional Patriot and THAAD missile batteries to Qatar. These systems are designed to intercept incoming short- and medium-range ballistic missiles. This move is a clear preparation for a potential Iranian counterstrike, ensuring that the US forward operating base and the 10,000 troops stationed there are protected behind a dense anti-missile shield. This mobilization completes a strategic pincer movement. While the USS Abraham Lincoln and its destroyers pressure Iran from the southern waters of the Arabian Sea, the heavy bombers and land-based launchers in Qatar pressure Iran from the west. This dual-front deployment complicates Iran's defense planning, forcing them to split their radar and attention between the naval threat and the airbase. Reports indicate that squadrons of F-35 Lightning II stealth fighters have also been forward deployed to the region. Unlike the B-52s, which are brute force instruments, the F-35s act as the eyes and ears that can penetrate Iranian airspace undetected to take out radar sites and command centers, clearing the path for the heavy bombers to launch their payloads. Military analysts note that this specific combination of assets, heavy bombers, stealth fighters, and high-altitude missile defense, signals a shift from passive deterrence to active combat readiness. The phrase "locked and loaded" reflects a posture where pre-planned target lists are finalized and crews are on high alert status for immediate execution orders. The mobilization comes directly on the heels of stalled indirect talks in Oman, with Iran reportedly refusing to discuss limits on its own ballistic missile program. The US is using this build-up to gain leverage. The logic is to demonstrate that the alternative to a diplomatic deal is not the status quo, but a credible and overwhelming military threat on Iran's doorstep. The visible deployment of these launchers also serves as a warning to Iranian proxy groups in Iraq and Yemen. By heavily reinforcing the defenses at Al Udeid, the US is signaling that any attempt to target the base with drones or rockets, as has happened in the past, will be met with a disproportionate response from the massive firepower now sitting on the tarmac. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.